Okay guys, so this is my twist out, and all I'm going to do is to tie my hair and just leave this overnight. Okay guys, so today I'll be making some whipped shea butter, and with only 3 ingredients. So actually 4, because I added a little bit of cocoa butter in there. So this is the amount of shea butter I'll be using. As you can see, it's 2 cups of shea butter, and I have my essential oil and my grapeseed oil I'll be using as the carrier oil today, and my bowl that I'll be putting my hot water in, along with my hand mixer. So I'm going to use another bowl to mix this in, so I'm going to pour all of this in here so I can get all of them melted. And I'll be using about ½ cup of carrier oil, that's about ½ cup of my carrier oil. Alright, so I'll be pouring everything all together. I want my cocoa butter, my shea butter, and my carrier oil, and I'll be using the double boil method. So this is my hot water. So this is my hot water. So I'm just gonna let this stay in here for about, say, 15 to 20 minutes, depending on how fast my butter will melt. And once it is completely melted, I'll show you guys what I'll do next, how I whip up my shea butter. Okay guys, so my butters are now melted, and I'm gonna whip this up. And please guys, do not let any water get into the oils, because I'm not using any preservatives. So if water gets into the oils, it will get contaminated and start to grow mold. Okay, this is going to take a really long time, so I'm going to place this into the freezer, and once it gets a little bit solid, then I'm going to start whipping it up again. Because if I'm going to continue to whip the liquid, it's going to take maybe an hour before it starts to get solid. So I'll show you after it gets solid, after adding it, putting it into the freezer. Okay guys, so this is the consistency of the shea butter. You can see how fluffy it is. Really creamy. So now I'm going to show you how I do my twist outs using this whipped shea butter. You can use this on your hair or on your skin. So my hair is a little flaky because I add some gel into my hair yesterday, but I'm still gonna show you how I do my twist outs. So I'm gonna section my hair. And I add some water into this spray bottle. And just spray it until my hair before I add in the shea butter. And damp my hair a little bit. Just take about this amount, rub it into the palm of my hands, and just moisturize my hair with this. And it's so smooth, as you can see. It just slides onto my hair. This is how it looks. Just continue twisting. Okay guys, so this is my twist out, and all I'm going to do is to tie my hair and just leave this overnight. Thank you so much for watching guys, and stay tuned for my next video. Give this video a thumbs up if you like what you see, and if you want me to do more videos, go ahead and comment, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. Hope you all have an airy weekend, and see you next time.